Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to the UK Clean Energy Summit 2025.
It's a privilege to welcome you to Magna, a place that tells the story of our region very well, I think. Once a steelworks, now a centre for science and innovation. It reflects the journey that we are making here in South Yorkshire, from powering the past to fundamentally shaping the future.
How do we now secure our place in that growing global market? A market that is estimated to be worth around $40 billion globally.
My single most important message is I accept your invitation to work with you to seize the huge opportunities clean energy presents for South Yorkshire and indeed our country as a whole.
The UK clearly has made some announcements really we're delighted by, so that they have announced a fleet of SMRs, and that sort of gets us off the ground.
Well, I think what we've seen in the last 12 months has come about because of what happened the 2 or 3 years before that. And if you wanted to say it in one sentence, energy security has become real for the first time probably for many, many years. So some of the complacency that possibly existed in governments and policymakers has fallen away.
There is still a significant opportunity for hydrogen in the UK, and it's all about being bold and pioneers.
There was a little bit of work done a little while ago around kind of maritime and the opportunities of a green shipping corridor between Belfast and Liverpool, and so there's huge opportunities there around kind of the utilisation of hydrogen for those kind of e-fuels to support that decarbonisation of that sector.
The immediate opportunity is to be found in minor additions or alterations to existing systems in order to qualify for the nuclear sector.
We need to build another 30 gigawatts of offshore wind by 2030. So far, in the last 20 years, we've done 15 gigawatts. We've got to do double that in the next 4 years or so.
But when we set out on the journey, putting this event together earlier this year, we didn't want it to be around technology or this sector versus that sector. We really wanted to look at how we could leverage all of that to deliver impact.
Thank you for your participation. There will be more to come.